burps a lot, which is me. Oh, oh, oh. I can do a whole bunch of burps, even loud ones. 1 second. Like that. I'm still trying my massive burp. Oh, darn it. The burp in my stomach. Turning my stomach. Not going on my stomach, bruh. If one more stomach thing goes in my thing, I will go up. Uh-oh.